So hi, welcome back students. We are discussing quadrilateral exercise point 1. In today's section I am going to discuss the last problem, that is the 12th one. So what they given here, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is a parallel to CD. So here they given AB is a parallel to CD. So these two are the parallel, and AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. Then show that angle A is equal to angle B, and second one angle C is equal to angle D, and third one triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BAD, and the diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So this much we want to prove here. So first write down given. So given here is a, the question is a given, it is given, and to prove this much we want to prove, so that show that become a to prove, to prove, right? And here we want to make a some construction. So what is that construction? It means AB and DC are the parallel to each other, so extend AB and join C to AB at E. So here is the E, and such that CE is equal to the AD and parallel to the AD. So these two are the equal and parallel. Is it clear? And join AC and BD. So here we want to show that diagonals are equal. So these two are the diagonals. Is it clear? So well students, this construction finished. So construction here. So proof now. Now proof. So here they given AB is parallel to DC. Given, right? And AB is a parallel to the DC means this DC is a parallel to the AE because E point is extend AB, right? So this implies AE is a parallel to the DC, right? So now therefore, so AE is a parallel to the DC, it means ADC is a parallelogram. In a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, it means it is a parallelogram. So here ADC is a parallelogram. So reason here, in a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it is a parallelogram. So here ADCE is a parallelogram. So AECD is a parallelogram means the angle A plus angle E is equal to 180. Angle A plus angle E, these two angle is a 180 co-interior angle. Co-interior angles, right? So sum of these two is a 180. And now angle D, this angle, right? And these two, sum of these two angle is a 180 linear pair angle. So angle B plus angle EBC is equal to 180 linear angles. So sum of these two is a linear angles. So now see here, AD is equal to the BC, they only given, right? AD is equal to the BC given, right? And AD is equal to the CE by construction. So this implies, see here, AD is equal to BC, AD is equal to C means these two are the equal, or LHS are equal means RHS are equal. So BC is equal to CE, right? BC is equal to C. So now consider in this triangle which one? BCA. In this triangle, these two sides are equal means their opposite angles are equal. So write down here. In a triangle BCE, the angle CBE equal to angle E, because angle of opposite to equal side, right? So angle opposite to the equal side, they are equal. And see here, these two angles are equal, and here angle B plus angle EBC is equal, and here also angle EBC, right? So instead of these two angle, we can write angle E because these two are the equal. So call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, angle B plus angle E is equal to 180. Is it clear? Because these two are equal. Angle B plus angle EBC is equal to 180. So angle EBC is equal to angle E. So instead of this angle, we can write angle E, right? So call this equation 3. So see here, in equation 3, angle B plus angle E is equal to 180, and here we know that angle A plus angle E is equal to 180. So from these two equations, we can write angle A plus angle E is equal to angle B plus angle E, because RHS are equal, so LHS are also equal. So both sides E get cancelled. Here we got angle A is equal to angle B. Hence proved. Is it clear? Well students, now second one. So second one is angle C is equal to angle D. We want to prove here. So already we proved. We have angle A is equal to angle B. Just we proved it. Right? And so here angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Co-interior angle, because these two lines are parallel. So write down here co-interior angles. And angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. This is also co-interior angle. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. So co-interior angles, right? So here RHS are equal means LHS are equal. So write down here angle A plus angle D is equal to angle B plus angle C, right? So instead of this angle A, we can write angle B. Already we proved. So angle B plus angle D as it is, plus angle B as it is, plus angle C as it is. So here angle A is equal to angle B, right? Sorry, here equal to. So now B get cancelled. So angle D is equal to angle C. So we proved here second. Is it clear? So well students, now third one. Third one we want to prove triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BAD. ABC and BAD, these two triangles. So see here ABC and BAD, right? So write down in a triangle ABC and triangle BAD. So in these two triangle, AB is the common. AB is equal to AB, common side, right? AB is equal to AB is common, and here see here AD is equal to BC. They only given BC is equal to AD given, right? So angle B is equal to angle A, proved. So in these two triangle, two corresponding sides and one angle is equal, means these two triangle are congruent to the each other. See here, common side, side, angle, side. So the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BAD by SAS rule, right? Side, angle, side. So these two triangle are congruent. So here proved third one. So fourth one. So fourth one we have to prove here the diagonals are equal. So now these two triangle are congruent to the each other, means their corresponding parts are equal. So AC is equal to BD. So here write down, we have the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle BAD, right? So these two triangle are congruent to the each other, means AC is equal to BD by CP CT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. So that is diagonal AC is equal to the diagonal BD, hence proved. So this is all about 12th question. Is it clear?